Hello human bodies. Welcome back. It's Rehan from Triangle Photo Editing channel. You all know that, coloring a black and white photo using Photoshop is not so easy. So I have got a very easiest technique to do the same thing without using Photoshop. Yes, you are right, without Photoshop. Let's see how to do this. First, open a web browser in your computer or smartphone. Search for the website, onlinecolorization.com. Now import the photo here. Drag and drop is also supported. So click on Color It. Wait for a second when it's loading. And it's done. Click here to download the photo. It was so easy. I hope you understand this video. Please subscribe this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. I am Rehan. Signing out.